One of the projects that I've been most interested in was actually done out here in the Vietnamese American community out in eastern New Orleans. So immigration is one of the things that I focus on, and migration more generally, and especially from the part of the world where Vietnam is, Southeast Asia. I collected a lot of data in this community before a disaster happened. And so how people fare after disaster is influenced a lot by how they were doing before disaster. So you have all these opportunities for your characteristics and assets that might make you more resilient or more vulnerable to what happens afterwards. So I was all of a sudden, just by accident, I was in this really good position to sort of see who was faring well before Katrina and to what degree that would influence them moving forward. The latest project that we're working on is I'm very interested in this older cohort of Vietnamese, the ones who came over and set up the community in the first place. This was a very accomplished group of Vietnamese that came out of the South. As they're aging and many of them are dying off, I've been very interested in kind of getting a lot of their stories about how it was coming over to resettle in the U.S. I'm also very interested in the field of cognitive decline. There's a real question as to whether prior trauma might have an influence on the onset of cognitive decline. So that's going to be a big focus of our new research moving forward that we're going to be doing with the New Orleans East Louisiana clinic that serves this community.